Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1968 Mgb Roadster, finished in these perfect colors of British Racing Green, black trim, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, black soft top, black vinyl soft top with a black cloth top boot there. Beautiful Southern California car that we sold probably about 3 years ago. We shipped it up to Oregon. It lived there with a very conscientious owner that took super good care of it, and we recently purchased it back. It came back here. It drives absolutely perfectly, just absolutely on the button. Super nice restoration all the way around. All new paint, chrome, interior, wheels, tires, mechanicals. Just an absolutely on the button, ready to go 68 Mgb Mk2 in just the perfect Mgb colors here. So really, really lovely car. Let me just finish this slow walk around here. Just excellent paint throughout. All the bright works new. Body rubber kit. I'll show you all the new interior shortly. Yeah, brand new soft top frame. This car's got the deluxe folding soft top setup, which is nice. You can see here some period Oregon stickers that were acquired the last couple years. Yeah, really good lower windshield rubber, original triplex windshield, as you can see here with the original logo. Interior wise, superb original dash. Just like one of the best original dashboards I've ever seen. Mileage is showing 66,504. Wonderful, wonderful interior. New visors. Seats have been retrimmed here. Carpets are very good. Looks like original door panels and arm bars, which is just amazing. But super well taken care of, Southern California car. The seller we purchased it back from, he fitted this lovely cloth top boot, brand new soft top frame, brand new vinyl top under there. You can see there's a trickle charger fitted, a battery cutoff switch. But yeah, let's have a look at these door panels. These look original to me, but I think, yeah, they're probably new, or they're just like mint originals. But excellent door panels. The stainless threshold plates have been added. Great body work throughout. Like I said, California car. We purchased it originally 3-4 years ago locally here in Southern California. Still retains the black and yellow plates. I think they're under here. Oh yeah, they're right there. You can see these original black and yellow plates that were original to the car up until we purchased it in 2021 there. But yeah, lots of spares in the trunk. There is, it's nice because they've done a full carpeted rear trunk kit upgrade. Like I said, all new body rubber, great fitting trunk, as you can see there. The level of cosmetics on this Mgb are quite excellent overall. Original style steering wheel, that looks brand new. Let's have a look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, so under here you can see nicely restored engine compartment with the benefit of an added brake booster. So this car's got power brakes, but all the correct decals, stickers, plaques, air cleaner decals, Underhood insulation kit. Looks like this engine's been rebuilt at some point, or it could be just the original engine. I'm not sure, but just perfect running driving car. Have a look at the driving video, because it is just an absolutely spectacular driver. We'll do one more little walk around here. So yeah, Mark II, this is a 68, so it's the first year of the Mark II with the upgraded beefy transmission, but still has the look of the 67 as far as the exterior. It doesn't have any reflectors added yet, which occurred in 1969. That's nice to see there. That's the original Lucas headlamp. But yeah, wonderful, wonderful 66,000 mile Mgb. This is our 1968 Mgb Roadster, finished in its original British racing green, black interior, black top and cloth top boot, 14-inch chrome wire wheels, 4-speed. Spectacular, at least a full cosmetic restoration on this one, with probably mechanical attention as needed. But lovely black plate Southern California car, just shipped back in from Oregon where it lived for the last few years. But original black plate California car. If you're looking for a British racing green Mgb, I think this is probably the best one on the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.